अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video हम आपके साथ आज की इस वीडियो में शेयर करेंगे व्यूअर्स हैंड क्राफ्ट्स आइडियाज़ डेकोरेशन से रिलेटेड. सो आई होप व्यूअर्स आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद आएंगे व्यूअर्स, तो आप लोग इसे लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा. अगर आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद है व्यूअर्स तो आप लोग इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट कीजिएगा. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि व्यूअर्स हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आप लोगों तक पहुंच सके और आप इनसे आइडियाज़ कैरी कर सकें. फ्रेंड्स, so let's start today's video. 14 fun button crafts for kids. Activities between spring break, summer break, and other school breaks. You will often find yourself trying to make sure your kid can stay entertained. An easy way to keep kids busy at any time of year is with crafts, especially like button crafts because they are inexpensive, easy, and not mess. Here are 14 fun buttons crafts for kids, including crafts for different season and holiday periods. Some of these button crafts for kids actually look so nice when finished that they may be worth framing at the very latest. They deserve a space on the fridge. For most of these, all you need to glue the button is craft glue, but if you are having trouble getting the button to stick, I found that a hot glue gun on low heat work well. Of course, only older kids should handle a hot glue gun. For this reason, making button crafts is so much fun for kids and can be a playlist for youth too. Even if all you are doing is surprising, it's great to see all the hard work your kids put into making them. If you are one on the hunt for buttons, here are some tips to find them for your craft.